I've just completed a HND in mechanical engineering at Glasgow Clyde College, and through that I've managed to gain direct entry to second year at Glasgow Caledonia University to do a BA in mechanical and electronic systems engineering.
My name's George Schultz. I work at Jaguar Land Rover in product development. In product development I work in vehicle engineering, which is responsible for the kind of overall requirements of the vehicles and then sign off at the end of the vehicle programme.
My name is Suzanne Burnley, and this year I was awarded the Brian Hildrey Apprentice of the Year award and a Whitworth Scholarship award as well.
I won the Undergraduate Visionary Award.
Graphic communications was probably my best subject in school, and it was through my dad working with Dewson Babcock that I found out about the apprenticeship scheme. And at that time my high school grades weren't great, I'd just done my Highers and I thought it was worth to give it a shot.
In the short term I'm looking to become chartered to try and gain some recognition of my abilities and develop my competencies along the way so that I can become a more rounded engineer. I think in the long term I'm looking to try and reduce the weight of vehicles. It's one of the things that's close to my heart. I think we've got a long way to go, but we're making progress at the moment, so there's plenty more opportunity.
I'm quite interested in project management and design as well. I'm not quite sure which route to go down yet, but charteredship with the Institute of Mechanical Engineers is up there as well, as one of my main goals once I've hopefully got a first honours degree.
I think it's international recognition of your kind of abilities and your leadership qualities, but not only that, by becoming chartered you kind of demonstrate your skills and your qualities, but you also have to kind of develop yourself and make sure that you're not just a specialist in one sort of area, but you can actually, you've got a wider set of skills, and being chartered kind of helps you focus on those and work out where your strengths and weaknesses are, to kind of develop your strengths further, but also to look at your weaknesses and work out how to improve them further as well. Every
day is kind of like a challenge. You don't know what you're walking into in the morning, and it's that kind of uncertainty that's quite exciting. I deal with a lot of 3D modelling, which involves a lot of speaking to clients and the workers down on the shop floor as well, so it's a lot of teamwork and communication.
I think engineering is an amazing industry to be in, an amazing field. Everything you see around you has been engineered at some point in its time, and by being an engineer you get to have a real impact on everyone around you and the environment. It's quite a rewarding profession, I think, because you get to actually see what you've done and you get to solve problems continually. So maybe some people might think a problem is a bad thing, but actually for an engineer it's their job to try and solve them and discover them.